Hey Frugivore, welcome back to the Frugivore Diet channel. So I have been away for a little bit. I've been hanging out with my mama and my partner and we've been having a great time, but I am back. We are back for video reviews, and you and I are going to review Alan Fisher's most recent What I Eat Today, which is what I ate today for my 5th vegan pregnancy healthy meal ideas. And Alan Fisher is highly requested. A lot of you really want me to review her What I Eat in a Day, so here we are, right? And Alan Fisher's doing great. 728,000 subscribers, and the algorithm is loving her content, actually promoting it to her audience, which is amazing, right? I don't get that freedom anymore. And I thought it would be interesting if we actually had a look at one of Alan Fisher's old What I Ate Today when she was pregnant, breastfeeding mum. And that was from 2016. So a time when I had a lot more influence over what YouTubers were eating. I was having meetups with Jenna Marbles, Shane Dawson, Trisha Paytas. A lot of these well-known YouTubers were actually, changing the way that they eat. And then that kind of trickled down into the rest of the YouTube community, and Raw Till 4 basically was going viral. And it kind of looks like Alan was definitely influenced there. 12 spotty apple bananas and half a pound of fresh dates. That's something I would definitely recommend. So we're going to check that out as well. I haven't watched either one of these videos, but I thought that would be good for comparison, because some of you have said that she's really changed how she eats. So I thought we could check that out, right? And we do speak sometimes, Alan and I, on Instagram over the years. And she used to comment quite a bit on my reaction videos, fully supporting me and go vegan, really into it. But yeah, and she is a subscriber to this channel. So Alan, if you're watching, don't take this the wrong way. I don't want anyone to think that this is an attack on Alan or anything. I don't know what I'm going to see, because I have never watched a What I Eat in a Day from Alan before. So it should be very interesting. And this is only so we can rise together as vegans, as plant-based eaters, so we can do our best and eat the best for our species, right? So anyway, let's get into it. If you want to see more of these videos, vote on it. And yeah, this one is What I Ate Today as a breastfeeding mum, raw vegan, from 2016. Let's go.
So I'm just going to share with you a typical
Okay, so 12 spotty apple bananas and half a pound of fresh dates. Great start to the day.
day of what I eat in a day. Alright, Dad's at work today.
She's glowing. She is definitely glowing there. You can see it. She looks very healthy. Dad's going to work.
Jobs today.
He's working 2 jobs. Wow, and there's her little son there.
We are having breakfast outside.
He's working Mana today.
Yeah, he works at Mana and Zipline, huh?
Wow, so he's working 2 jobs. I think things have changed, right? Because Alan has, definitely become a lot more popular, and I think they're probably all living off the YouTube and the books now, which is fantastic. It's great that he can, have time at home with the kids. And what a cute boy.
Mm-hmm. Sandy's in the doorway jumper. Hi, Sandy. And it's kind of a rainy day, so we're just sitting under the roof where our car normally is, but yeah.
Okay.
So funny, that doorway jumper I've had since Elvis was a little.
All right, we're going to move on to the food. Yeah.
Here's my breakfast. I had about 12 apple bananas. They're smaller than the regular bananas.
Fantastic.
And half a pound of dates. Here I am trying to figure out how I can eat bananas in front of a video while holding a baby. And we were playing with these vintage troll dolls from Etsy that Elvis had got.
Okay, so great start to the day. I can't say anything at all. There's no problem there, right? Bananas, we're frugivores, it's perfect, dates, yum. So we'll move on, because we've got to watch a couple of videos here. Yeah, right, okay.
Here's parents. It was a gift to us. It was our Christmas gift.
Big salad for lunch.
For lunch, I made a huge salad from my ebook called the Bliss Bowl with coconut and mustard seed dressing. And it has lots of greens, spinach, and lettuce, and some raw cauliflower rice, and bell pepper, spiralized beets, and it's so yum. I just love it so much.
Okay, so that is a little bit more of a low-carb dish for my liking for lunch. I definitely wouldn't go for that for lunch. I would be going for a large fruit meal. And, coconut is great and everything. I would have this more for dinner, because you need more fructose and glucose at that time, especially if you're breastfeeding. For instance, something like this, this cake, that would be better to go for that. I mean, that's basically what she had for breakfast. But, a smoothie bowl, for instance, or yeah, this is like, these are recipes from my book, Raw Till 4, and you can find over 55 full color recipes, with meal planners as well, and with the calories counted, all of that, to make sure you have enough. And yeah, there's heaps of meal ideas, but I definitely would recommend fruit for lunch, and then go for, if you want to go for the pancakes, you want to go for like more wartime style for dinner, that would be better. But of course, a salad is still fantastic, and I just go for fructose. So fructose glucose.
I really love doing salads for lunch lately, having a little plant fat at lunchtime, and also often I'm able to get my kids down for nap at the same time, so I can just like sit down and eat my big salad.
I can't imagine what it would be like to be a mother and trying to organize your children and like, find time to eat and all of that stuff. So I think she's doing fantastic. But it would be even easier just to grab fruit, right? Just to grab a big fruit meal. But it's healthy. Salad is definitely healthy. So
I had juiced with the oranges from our farmer's market and star fruit and lilikoi, which is also called passion fruit.
Delicious.
Did 2 star fruit in the smoothie. Lots of fresh orange juice.
Very good.
And then 2 tablespoons of hemp seeds and 2 tablespoons of barley grass juice powder. And lots of frozen mango. And yeah, even in wintertime in Maui, it's still hot enough to enjoy cold smoothies for dinner. Especially in the part of Maui where we live. If we lived up the mountain a bit, it's a little bit colder, but it's still hot in the evenings where I'm like, I love cold smoothies for dinner.
That's
Elvis
awesome.
wanted to eat some mango blueberries on the side as well, so that's what he was having.
He really loves the camera.
With the smoothie. I really like having smoothies for dinner, especially as a mom, because it's just quick and easy, and I still get lots of calories because I make sure to fill up that smoothie.
I love that. I love that she's talking about filling up that smoothie, right? Like really getting the carbs in, getting the calories in, getting that sweet fruit in. So important.
One little 16-ounce smoothie is not going to fill you up and satisfy you. It's really just a matter of making sure to get enough calories, and smoothies are a really easy way to do that while taking care of your kids. It's like the ultimate fast food, or just grabbing a bunch of bananas,
Yeah, that's what I was talking about before for lunch as well, rather than cutting up everything and all that. But she felt like the salad at lunch, and that's fine. But that's fantastic that she's having this big-ass smoothie, so really, really good.
And if you don't live in a climate where it's warm enough...
But anyway, that's where we're going to leave it on this video, so you can see that she's eating high fruit here, definitely fruit-based, and hopefully she still is. I don't know. I honestly do not know how she's eating these days, but this was a good day. And so now I'm recording this on my iPad, so things are a little bit different. And there might be an ad here, which... Yes, there is, 1 of 2, and I have to edit this out. Okay, so this is great. She's starting with some solo papayas. We have them here as well. We have kind of a hybrid solo. Delicious. So great fresh start.
From the farmer's market. And they're more yellow and flesh than the red lady papayas.
They're delicious. So good.
You see us picking from our garden a lot. They just have a different flavor, and they're really good.
I'm so glad she's picking fruit from my garden. This is fantastic.
One is a strawberry papaya. I'm thankful to Andrew for going to the farmer's market every week for the family.
Awesome.
Don't you like this color?
Oh, I love that one.
Well, things are starting off good here. Okay, so now we're on to breakfast. Okay. Oh, savory hummus toast. Okay, so she's into the toast. I'm surprised she's having that for breakfast, but things change with people. I get it. She has a large family. Yeah, things change. Chickpeas, lots of tahini, garlic powder. Wow. Lemon juice.
Lots of lemon.
Good, everybody's helping.
So they came up with a new recipe.
Everybody's Oh, okay. So it's very wartime. You know how I feel about the bread. Very wartime. Of course, I'm so happy that she's plant-based. I shouldn't have to say this and give this disclaimer. I'm always happy to see plant foods, but we're talking about what is optimal for you as a human frugivore, especially on rising when you wake up for breakfast. And
So yummy.
yeah, hummus toast is not really ideal. Okay, this is not the best. It's going to be hard for your body to actually access the glucose, the carbohydrates, because it is being interrupted by the fact that it's cooked, by the fact that there is excess fat involved with the tahini, and it's just not a fresh start to the day.
Guys, I am like 23 weeks pregnant now. It's going by so fast.
Where's Dad?
Yeah. Very, very, she's about to pop, okay? And that's like amazing. 5th vegan pregnancy. You know, so she's just proving, like, her kids are gorgeous, they're healthy, obviously. She's proving that it's more than possible to have vegan children, you know what I mean? Like, people are like, oh my God, a vegan child. Like, please. You know, this is the way it's meant to be. Fruit-based.
He's digging a trench. It's so sweet. The boys wanted to help Andrew.
And that's cool. So he's out there actually working on the land now. You know, they got their own property and he doesn't have to go somewhere else and work. I think that's great. You know, and they got their you know, fruit forest coming along. Okay, so I'm going to move along so the video isn't super long, and we're going to go to the next food. Hang on. I think she might be advertising something maybe there. Okay, yeah, I think we're up to it. Green smoothie. All right, we have a green smoothie.
Silly. We got some apple bananas from our garden.
Oh, apple banana.
Right. So she loves the apple banana. She's having it 2016. She's having it again. It's from the garden. So 2016 she was having apple bananas and she's having them again from the garden. That's great.
OJ.
Yep.
Looks good.
Whoa.
Frozen.
I mean, the flaxseed and the hemp seeds, I don't believe are necessary, and I feel like it's just going to give you too much fat. It's going to interrupt your digestion, assimilation of the fructose glucose, or the glucose in particular, so I don't recommend it. But, you know, if you feel like you want to have it, if you feel like you're getting benefits, it's not too bad.
And then we have some homemade plant milk that I make with almonds, hemp seeds, and some coconut milk.
Awesome. That would taste amazing, for sure.
Name is Jedi.
Oh my gosh. Alright, so Scout and I were hugging and then we knocked over her glass jar of smoothie. So that was a big mess. And then she and I just shared my smoothie since that one got ruined. And then Sandy came in from the garden and won some of our smoothie. So I only ended up getting about half of the smoothie that was in my glass jar. But that's fine because I just like don't feel like making another one. And I'm gonna drink this fresh coconut water that Andrew opened.
Okay, fresh coconut water is amazing. That's beautiful. I love it. We have them here as well. She did say the fact that she only have half a smoothie there. So it's important really to make up the rest of the smoothie. And hopefully she does later on, you know, the rest of the fruit because she didn't get enough. And, you know, in the previous video, she's talking about how important it was to eat a large smoothie.
Opened the other day, and I just love coconut water when I'm pregnant. If you saw my last video, you definitely know how much I love coconut water.
It's good stuff.
Whether I'm pregnant or not,
It's
just
amazing.
for the kids, ourselves, I just feel so good on fresh coconut.
I love it. I agree. The potatoes.
Oh, lunch.
Really?
Okay.
Love to put
Roasted potatoes and salad.
got really yummy salad.
Look, roasted potatoes are yummy. I can't think of anyone. I don't know anyone who doesn't like roasted potatoes, right? Amazing. And she's got a salad there which helps with digestion and minimizing white blood cell response. That's great.
So we are prepping dinner because we have to head out for the evening to take Elvis and Andrew to baseball practice. All right, everybody get in the car.
Okay.
I cannot find my shoes.
What's this?
It's like this oat chocolate chip bar.
Okay, so she had a chocolate chip bar, and you can see why, right? Because she's not having enough fruit. She's not getting enough fruit in, because at the start of the day she might have had just maybe half a papaya or so, I'm not exactly sure, and then she had half a smoothie, and the rest has been more starch based. Okay, and that can lead to having things like that have refined sugar in them or have a sweetener in them, like this chocolate chip bar. All right, so if she had that full smoothie, she probably wouldn't have had the bar. That's a lot of beans. And, I mean, it's a big family, so she's going to have a lot of beans. But beans really are not human food, okay? I know a lot of people eat them, a lot of people talk them up and everything, but they're not human frugivore food. If you eat them raw, you can't eat much, and some of them will actually potentially hurt you a lot, make you sick. So, yeah, it's not optimal. So that's what's in it. And of course, it's going to be yummy. But for me, a better option would be, oh, by the way, there's two better options there. This one has chickpeas in it, but it has a lot of rice and vegetables as well. And this one has tofu, but a lot of rice and vegetable. That is very, very important. And this is a teaser. Sushi, you get a lot of rice, get a lot of vegetables again. And she does have some vegetables in there, but not really a lot of fresh. And yeah, that's the teaser, by the way. But yeah, dinners, I have a lot of cooked dinners in this book, and with these I all recommend you have a salad for sure. Okay, salad is always important to include when you're having cooked food, and it's just going to help the digestion. The fiber is going to help a lot, and yeah, so yeah, there's the chickpea curry. Just add in a lot more vegetable matter. Add in a lot more vegetables, and that would be better, and a lot of rice. I'm not sure if she's having much rice with this. But yeah, definitely check out the teasers. I've got them of all Go Fruit Yourself teaser. You can just download to have a little bit of a, example of what the book is like, what it's about. There's also, you can download these on the website, thebananagirl.com. This is My Naked Lunchbox, which is getting rave reviews, and it has recipes in it as well, all the directions. And yeah. Let's have a look here. Podcast. I'd love to be on your podcast, Alan. Some people have been suggesting it to Alan, but I think I might be a little bit too controversial. Just with that meal, I would, for me, it's too much protein and not enough carbohydrates. So more rice. Was there rice involved? I'm not sure. But more rice, more vegetable matter, and ideally more fruit as well in this day of eating. She's not doing bad. Like, people are like, oh no, she's changed so much. But like from this example, I haven't watched any more than this one. You can let me know. Oh, honestly, it's another. Don't worry. We're going to go off
Nespresso Virtuo. You can now make your coffee with a double shot.
No, you cannot. We do not want a coffee with a double shot. But anyway, she seems like she's doing well. I would recommend more fruit for sure, like she used to have. But yeah, what can I say? It's not too bad, but I think she's definitely going to do a lot better just in general, and everybody, the kids and everyone, if there's a lot more fruit involved. But I'm not going to pretend I know what it's like to be a mother and all the challenges that brings. And in general, she's doing great. All right, so that's my video for today. Let me know in the comments how you feel, and yeah, let Ellen know I made this video, and I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to go fruit yourself.